Well, it's 5 o'clock. Just finished building the outline frame, if you like, of the first bed. Haven't leveled it yet, but just wanted to try and get that one set up, see how it look. Now I'm just going to start laying out the rest of the boards, just to get a rough idea of how things are going to, I suppose, look. But I won't be doing any more building today. It's getting a bit late. There we are. So that's all the big beds done. Shows how uneven the ground is, doesn't it? My thinking is that these top two might lay themselves or lend themselves to a future project. We shall see.